Hello everybody, it's Miss Penny. You can't tell, but it's me. I am here to show you another craft. Can you guess what craft? Can you guess? Just a little one. Yes, just by all the colors. Mardi Gras. We are making a Mardi Gras craft. So for those of you who have signed up for this craft, let's get crafting. All right, got a little hair sticking out there. Okay, anyway. As usual, you will have directions in your kit, so you will know what to do. But if you don't want to look at the directions, then follow along on the video. Okay, you're going to have this stick. You're going to have a stick in your kit, and you're going to have just a couple of these fun little things. We are making a streamer, so you can just stream it. Woohoo! Mardi Gras! Yay! Okay. Anyway, let's get started. It's really going to be so easy and quick that there's not even much to show you, really, because you're going to use your own imagination, really. That's it. I'm going to do what I'm going to do, but you're going to do what you're going to do. So basically, you're going to take pieces of whatever's in your kit. You can use everything. You can use none of it if you want, honestly. You can use markers if you want to color the stick. So if you want to design your stick, this is what I'm doing. I'm just going to take this, I'm going to wrap it around just so that my stick is colorful. You don't have to. You can have a plain stick. You can use markers, and you can color your stick if you'd rather too. Okay? I'm just going to wrap mine around so that I have this colorful stick like this. I'm using tape. Simple, easy. We don't have to worry about hot glue, so that we don't have to worry about burning fingers or anything like that. Tape. All right, easy peasy. Scissors, tape. Those are the things you need at home, unless you want something extra to add to your stuff. Okay, so that's all I did to mine. If you want to even add more, you know, you're going to have different ones. If you have different items at home that you even want to use, you can do that. Okay, so that's it. Now my stick is decorated, but now I want to add like streamers to it so that I can go out and just kind of wave it around and make it flowy or whatever, however I want to make it. So I'm going to use some green, this, okay. I'm just going to use all the colors. I have two different shades of purple. I have yellow, which is, oh, we're going to say the yellow is my gold. And there we go. 2 greens, 2 purples, 2 golds. I'm just going to take them all of them, just like so. And I'm just going to put them on my stick, really. I'm going to put them at the top of my stick, okay? Tape them on. Simple, easy peasy. Tape them on. Make sure they're all taped on, because we don't want any falling off, do we? No, we don't. All right. So there we go. So far, I've got some streamers. And then if you want, you can even take your scissors, or you can rip them. So they rip really easy. You can even cut them so that they're like thinner. And, oh, that one's already, there we go. There. Then you can even do this kind of and crumple them up a little bit. There, they even kind of look, I kind of like them more this way, personally. But that's going to be your call. And if you even want to add more to this, we can take even like the ribbon that you have, you can add some ribbon up there. So I've got purple, green. Oh, where's my green? Come on, Mr. Green. There we go. Okay. Whoop, there we go. And what's cool about this ribbon is it's curling ribbon. So when you take your scissors and see how the ribbon's already kind of curled one way, you want to put your scissors on the inner part of that. One side, I opened up my scissors like this. I'm going to hold it on the inner part and use my finger. And then I'm going to pull it, and now watch. It curls it. Yes. Hopefully you have like a bigger person maybe at home that can help you with that too, if you don't know how to do that already. I'm going to do the same thing with my yellow. And I'm pretty sure, ooh, it's staticky. It's sticking to me. Pretty sure my purple is curling ribbon as well. Yes. So now I have curling ribbon that I would like to add up here too. So I'm going to do that. And again, You don't have to, because this is your streamer decoration. If you want ribbon up there, you can add the ribbon. If you don't want the ribbon up there, don't add the ribbon. Easy peasy. All right, so I decided I did want ribbon, and I like how it curls. I love curling ribbon. I think it looks so cool. I just love the way it curls up. Curls, curls, curls. Okay, that one was a little long. All right, perfect. So there we go. So now I'm even making it just a little bit fuller with my ribbons. And now we have a couple more items in your bag, you'll see. We have feathers. If you want to add feathers, you can add some feathers. I think I will. Why not? We'll just keep adding. We're just going to keep on adding. Make this the most fun that we can make it. So we've got the Mardi Gras colors, which are purple, gold, and green. Yes, yes. Somebody remembered. Oh, I already have a green on there, so I'm going to take a yellow. Doo-doo-doo. All right. Okay. There we go. All right, now it's really filling up. It's got ribbon. It's got feathers. And you know what? Yes, I am going to put some of this on there, just because I think it would look really cool. So we have these necklaces, bead necklaces, but you're not going to have a full necklace. You're just going to have like a little strip of beads, because you don't need a full necklace, because we're not wearing necklaces, we're making streamers. So decide if you want to use them, and if so, where and how you want to put them. I'm actually going to have mine hanging down. All right, so down. Yes. So cool. Another one. And the tape is perfect. I mean, we don't have to mess with hot glue because the tape is holding it all on just perfectly. And a gold one. Where do we want our gold one? Over here? Yes. And again, everybody's is going to look different because we're all individuals and we all have our own styles. Yes, there you go. You have made a streamer for Mardi Gras Day. You just kind of wave it around and celebrate. That is it, everybody. I would love to see what you have made, so send us pictures, bring them in. That would be neat. I know there's some girls who have made, look at that, oh, that's so fun. There are some girls who have decorated some stuff to put up in our library. If you guys are really, really interested, come on in and see what they decorated. So you can bring your streamers, you can wave them quietly. Luckily, even with the beads, it's not very loud. So you can wave your streamers and come see the decorations that the kids put up in our library for Mardi Gras Day. You guys have a great day and enjoy your streamers. I'll see you later.